Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to change your birthday on your VK app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our VK app. After opening our VK app, here you'll be welcomed in the home page where you'll be able to see various options such as news, for you, trending, search bar and so on. Here on the top left corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon where you'll have to tap on. After tapping on your profile icon, you'll be welcomed in your profile page. Here you'll be able to see your photos, videos and so on. On the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see three dots. Tap on those three dots. Here you'll be able to see various options such as edit profile, change cover, copy link and so on. Tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, once again you'll be welcomed in a page where you'll be able to see various options such as your profile name, and scrolling down you'll be able to see the options such as personal information, security, profile and so on. Here you'll have to tap on personal info. After tapping on personal info, you'll be welcomed in another page. Once again, here you'll be able to see various information about yourself such as your first name, your last name, your gender and your birthday. Your birthday will be located on the fifth option. Here we'll be only working with birthdays, so tap on birthday. After that, here you'll have to choose your birthday, and after you have chosen your birthday, the correct date and the year and the month, you'll have to tap on set. And after you're done, you'll have to tap on the right option that is located on the right hand side corner. Wait for some time and the changes have been saved. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change your birthday on your VK app. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.